promised 10-15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
So we were talking about the errors on your computer. So anyways, you got somebody, you got a guest at your house. Is your work done?
Yeah.
All right, that's great, sir. So now, can we go ahead and do the problem solution for the computer, sir?
Yeah. Can I ask you how much this is going to cost me?
I'm sorry?
Is there going to be a charge for this?
So see, any service, if you will get to know about the error of your computer, if you want to fix it out, you have to clear all the problems on your computer, you have to pay some charges. Not to me also, if you will go to the local technician as well, if you will go to any other company, you have to pay for that, and then your computer will be fixed. So there are charges, yes, in one sense, but yes, first we have to look out the problem, what is the main problem, or what is the exact problem in your computer, then we'll talk about it, sir. It's your wish actually. I will give you some options, so whichever option you would like to go for, you can go for it. Alright, sir?
Okay, can you tell me about some of those options?
I'm sorry?
Could you tell me about some of those options?
Definitely, sir. We will definitely let you know. I'll definitely let you know the options of ours. I'm talking first we have to get to know that exact problem. We have to check whether the problem is also creating in your registry or not of the computer, because registry is the backbone of the computer, and if any problem will happen in the registry, then we have to go to the exceptional support. Alright, so we have to get to know about the exact problem in your computer.
Right.
Until unless we will not get to know the exact problem, we cannot tell you the solution as well, sir.
Right. Can I ask you a personal question?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel bad working for a scam agency?
I'm sorry?
Do you feel bad or wrong in any way trying to take money from people when there's nothing wrong with their computer?
See, sir, I told you before as well that I'm gonna take a remote control on a computer. So after taking that as well, if I have to perform anything in a computer, right, I'll be doing in front of you. And as the call is getting recorded from my end as well, right, this is a certified organization, so you don't have to worry about it. This call is getting recorded, all right. And also the second thing is the whatever I will perform in a computer, any step I'll let you know, all right. I'll be telling you all the things, and then I'll perform in front of you, and I'll let you know that what I'm doing, and whatever I'm doing, I'll guiding you the same way, in the same time. All right.
All right. That didn't really answer the question. So you don't have any moral.
Yeah. So no, it's okay, sir. It's I can understand, and I can understand about your privacy, your confidential things, your personal stuff on the computer. I really do understand, sir. This is a valid question, anyways, and we respect the same kind of a question which you asked me. But don't worry about the same thing, sir. I'm not going to take any kind of a confidential details of yours from either from your computer, not from you as well, until unless you will not give me the permission of all doing that. So whatever the performance or whatever the thing I will do on the computer, or whatever the step I will perform, I'll guide you at the same time. I'll tell you what I am doing on the computer, and whatever I'll do in front of you is only. Alright, sir?
But I was more referring to the fact that taking money for fixing problems that don't exist seems immorally objectionable.
Yeah, that is also again there is a point, sir. There is a catch that see, we are here to help you out. All right, we'll tell you the problems, we'll tell you the errors what you have in your computer. All right, we'll tell you whatever the problems is there in your computer, and now obviously you will definitely go and try to fix it all. So it's not the thing that I am telling you something that you should go with me only, or I'm the only person who can fix all these things. Alright, we will give you the options, like the different companies are working on the same thing. Right, I'll tell you the options, I'll open the website in front of you, mine as well, and different organization as well, and also you know about the local technician in your area. If you will go to the local technician also, they will also gonna charge something. All right. So whatever the way you will decide it, we'll go with that way only. So it's not mandatory. If I am telling you something, then you have to go with me only. Alright, I just wanted to give you the information that what all problem you have. So in the future, if you want to rectify it, or whenever you are feeling to rectify it, you should go with the best option which you have.
Right. Okay.
Alright.
Well, let me get that callback number from you, and I will call you at some point in the future.
Definitely, sir. You can take the callback number. That would be a toll-free number, but that will not come directly to me. It will go to the different department who actually take care of the people who are there already signed up with us. All right. If you will call them, because that's a line where you can call up. If you are signing up with us, you will call on that number, and if you have any problem, you can just tell them. All right, with your order ID number or your account number, and they will gonna help you out on the same time. Without any problem, you just have to just sit, relax, alright, back on a chair and see whatever our technician will do on the computer. So if you want to call back, it's not a problem for us, but that callback will not help you because you are not signed up with us. They'll give you the information, whatever information you wanted to know, right, about company, what we used to do, alright, what we are doing actually. So these kind of information, if you want, they will provide you. Or else, if you want, if you have any kind of a doubt till yet, all right, what I can do is I can transfer this call to my supervisor. If you can have any doubts, you can directly talk to them. I don't have any problem regarding the same thing, sir. If you want to know my name, a complete name, my first and last name, I'll provide you. If you want to know my employee ID, I'll give you the same thing as well. Because we are not doing anything wrong, sir. We are the registered certified technicians here to work on the computer with the Microsoft. All right. So we are the certified technician to work on all Microsoft applications. So this is actually a panel of certified technicians all over in our company. More than 100 employees we are working here as certified technicians.
Mm-hmm.
So the surety about your confidential.
Can you tell me how you got my number?
We got your number, sir, through, when Microsoft is trying to send you some update, right, through internet or online, if your computer is actually accepting all these things, all right, we will not get the alert, all right, because the computer is already fine and is accepting all the updates on the Microsoft. But if in case, like your computer, who is not responding to the Microsoft updates, it's going again and again to you, and your computer is not responding to those updates, when that point of time is become an error to us, those errors will reflect on our server. When we will get these kind of error continuous basis, we used to find out the number from our database, that from which network or from which location this error are coming. We'll find out the location, we'll find out the customer's detail, and then we'll try to give a call back to the customer and try to tell them that there are some problem in the computer because of which it's not happening properly.
So you're saying you got my number from Microsoft?
Not directly from the Microsoft, sir. We cannot ask. Anyways, do you have the number with your number with Microsoft? I don't think so that you will have your number with Microsoft. It's the thing that when Microsoft is sending you update on your computer for your Microsoft operating system which you have in your computer, all right, those things Microsoft can send you only updates. But if your update is not happening, it means there are some problem in your computer. So through the internet, we used to find out the internet IP address, that is we call an IP address, internet protocol address. All right. If you will find out that address, we'll find out that which location it is established, where the connection is getting established. All right, through the IP address, and through which we'll get to know about the customer's detail, and that's how we used to call the customer.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know.
All right. This is totally actually it's a part of our back-end team who used to do this. They used to find out that numbers. They used to find out the details of the customer or the computer that who is not responding to the Microsoft updates. So our backend team will perform all these steps. Actually, we also don't perform that. Our backend team used to perform all these details. But as you asked as a customer how we got your number, just to give you the answer properly, I told you the complete process, how the process used to go on, and how we find out the number and to talk to you and to resolve your problem.
Well, that's pretty amazing that they can do that. So thank you for sharing.
Yes, sir. Because we want at the end that the customer should be happy, and the computer which he is using, he should not face any problem with the computer.
Right. And do you guys know my name?
I'm sorry?
Do you know my name?
So sometimes we used to get the correct name or correct address as well with our database, but sometimes actually if the people used to change the places sometimes, so we will not be able to get the proper details. As in my records right now with your number, it's showing me the name Christopher Nicholas. Alright?
Right, yeah. Yeah, that's not actually accurate, but that's interesting. Okay. Well, I'm expecting I'm not going to be requiring your services on my computer, but I do appreciate the time that you've taken. If you could give me that callback number, if I do run into any problems, I'll be happy to jot that down.
I'm sorry, sir, I didn't get you properly.
Could you give me that callback number?
Alright, that would be good, sir. You can just make a note of it.
Okay, thank you.
It would be 1-888 329 0876.
Okay, great. And the name of your company again?
It's Solace, SOLACE, Solace Infotech.
Okay, great. Thank you. Really appreciate your time.
Alright, sir. So in the future, anytime if you will require a service, you can call us on the same number. You can inquire about the product, and you can inquire about the company as well, and you will get the service at your on one call. Alright, sir?
Okay. Thank you, Brian.
Alright. Thank you. Nice talking to you, sir. Have a nice day.
You too.